Hi YouTube, what's going on? Now, are you aware of the fact that it is possible for you to earn money from these applications that are being created every single day? Just in case you don't know, according to some Google research, at least 30,000 applications are created every single day, and you could earn money for reviewing these applications, okay? Now, I need you to know that when developers build applications or sites, they expect users to review this application or sites and give some feedback with respect to how it respond in their area. Okay, for instance, I could build an application right now and it works perfectly for me, but I do not know how it respond for some other locations and some other cell phones. Okay, now that is where you come in. Now I need to know that for the fact that thousands of applications are created every single day, you could earn tens to thousands of dollars for reviewing these applications. Okay. Now these developers do not come directly to you, they come through some third party. Okay, they come through a middleman. Now that is what I want to show you in this video. Now I'm going to explain to you how you can be able to review applications and earn up to $25 every single day. Okay, and I need to know that you can do this anytime. Okay, because these tasks are coming on the application and you'll be notified on your cell phone to review them. Okay, so you review them, you submit, and then you get payments. Okay, and just to also tell you that this is the only reviewing application which pays a minimum withdrawal of over $1.50, guys. Other applications will tell you if you don't have 20 bucks, there's no withdrawal. There's no withdrawal. But this application, which I want to tell you right now, with as low as $1.50, you're gonna get your withdrawal paid to you. Okay. Now, just in case, $25 per day, earning from when you at your free time and from the comfort of your home and using your unused internet. Just in case, $25 per day is not small for you. I need to watch this video to the very end so that you can see how you could take part on these developments that are coming on planet Earth and earn some money out of it. Okay, already I explained to you that there are thousands of dollars, millions of dollars online, and just in case you know what to do, you're gonna be able to earn part of this money. Okay, so follow me closely while I walk you through this new application. And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay, so guys, in this part of the video, we're gonna look at this new application which I explained to you earlier. As I told you, this application, I'm gonna go straight to the point. This application is all about reviewing apps, okay, and getting paid. Okay, actually, every single day you're gonna receive a list of applications to review. Okay, once you receive, for instance, let's say today I already received like 5 applications, and I have in my mind that okay, I can sacrifice some 30 minutes of my time to review these 5 applications. Okay, so you just have to download these applications, review them, and then submit your reviews. Okay, once you submit your reviews, you're gonna these guys are going to go through it, and then they're gonna send you payments. Okay, and this money will reflect in your account. You can place withdrawal. Once you have as low as $1.50, you can withdraw. Okay, actually they're gonna give you some points which is converted to real dollars. Okay, this is a mind-blowing opportunity which I want to explain to you because already I've recommended people to this opportunity and they have been able to earn really good amount of money from it. Okay, so just in case you have some probably language problem, okay, I need to know that this is not a problem at all. Do you know why? Because with the coming of applications like the ChatGPT and other AIs, you could send them this application. Okay, they have asked you to review YouTube. Okay, just write ChatGPT, review this application or review YouTube. Okay, they're going to send you a text in English. You copy and paste. Okay, you're gonna make some money. Even though this is a trick which you can use, but I need to know that sometimes you really need to review this application so that you will not get your account flagged. You need to review this application, post the review, and then you will not get your account flagged. Okay, now I've been seeing when I posted this opportunity first time on my Telegram channel, I saw some people asking what are the payment methods, and even though some people were able to get payments, but some people are asking what payment methods. Well, on the application as of now, you can receive money through bank transfer and PayPal. Okay, through PayPal, I think it's possible for some countries, but bank transfer, I think it's possible worldwide. Okay, so this is an opportunity which anybody can take part in. Then what other thing I need to talk about at this point of the video is what is the name of the application. So actually the name of the application is the Upper Wall. Okay, it is the Upper Wall. Now I need to know that these guys have been in business since 2017 according to online research, and they have been able to pay as much as $4 million, and they already have way too many people who are really constantly earning from it. Okay, and you too can be able to earn from them because actually, as I told you before and early in the earlier part of this video, there are approximately 30,000 applications that are being created every single day, and this needs review. Okay, and this does not only need one review, it needs thousands of review. A single application needs thousands of review. Do you know why? Because there are many cell phones out there, there are many devices. Okay, there are many kind of PCs, you know. All these people need to review it with respect to what their devices. Okay, so that you can give a review of how this respond on this application, so that these developers can be able to, you know, design a good looking site probably for their own business. Okay, so it's very important that you give reviews and you also enter money at the end of the day. Okay, now just in case you have any question as far as this app is concerned, I need you to let me know in the comments. And just in case you have any difficulties in signing up, you can always send me a message and I'm going to, you know, get back to you almost instantly. Okay, this is a mind-blowing opportunity which everybody can earn money from. You can earn money from, and we are already earning money from. Okay, all right, bye bye.